Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm going to be teaching you how to sign three different questions that you might have for someone who's hearing, hard of hearing, or deaf. Okay, so when you meet someone, you might say, "Are you hearing?" See how my eyebrows raise when I ask the question? So, you hearing? Yes, I'm hearing. All right, now I'm going to teach you how to say deaf. So deaf, you have your, point your finger, your right hand, start at your mouth and go to your ear. Deaf, deaf. Okay, now I'm going to ask them if they are deaf. Deaf? No. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you how to say hard of hearing. So you take H, just go like this, H, left side, right side, hard of hearing. Now I'm going to ask the question. So again, we have hearing, deaf, hard of hearing. And notice how I raise my eyebrows when I ask the question, or when I'm responding, I'm like, no. Watch my brows or my mouth. Or when I'm yes, my facial expressions change. So make sure you practice those. All right, bye guys.